Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chanina. Hey girl, hey. And it's been a few days, so I don't know where we left off at, but we just came out of the Dollar Tree because I wanted me a Coke. I've been doing good with the water though. I just wanted me a Coke, and I just wanted to save a little coin doing it. They've got the what size bottle is that?
Was that like
it's like a liter? Yeah, it's a 1 liter bottle. So they're $125 here at the Dollar Tree, but they've gone up at Kroger, so they're like $159, $169, something like that at Kroger. So I just kind of wanted to look around to see if they had anything new going on. They didn't have a whole lot of new stuff. It's kind of like the same old, same old. I was able to find a few things as we were leaving the store so that I can make a short. But other than that, that's it. So we about to go back home, y'all. We've been out doing deliveries since about 12. Yesterday, the maintenance man came. Well, I ain't gonna say the maintenance man. The plumber came, and he had to switch out the faucet in the hall bathroom, but the hot water is still not on. So I had to put in another work order, and because our leasing office is closed on the weekends, it's Saturday, by the way, I have to wait until Monday for them to come and turn the hot water back on or do whatever they did last time, because they actually came to fix it, and I was able to take a hot shower like a few days ago, and then like all of a sudden it was out again. So I pulled up some videos. I know y'all probably can't see that good. I pulled up some YouTube videos because y'all know you can learn anything on YouTube these days, and it was given very much I need a professional, so I'm gonna wait. But yeah, y'all, we finna go home. It's almost 4 o'clock and I got a splitting headache. But yeah, I missed 2 days of work because we sat around Thursday, because that's when they were supposed to come. So we sat around Thursday waiting on them. They never showed up. And then yesterday they showed up about 10, but they didn't leave until right before 4 o'clock. So I wasn't able to leave the house until after they were gone, because at one point he had to leave to go to Home Depot, and because this was a third party company, they don't have a key to the apartment. So I had to pretty much just wait it out. So anywho, y'all, alright y'all, so I am prepping dinner, or well, I'm just really waiting on the dough to rise. So budget friendly, easy dinner, not a whole lot of ingredients. Ground sausage, which I showed y'all that in a previous haul. So the sausage I think was $2.40 for 1 pound, and then a ham steak, which was 90 cents for 1 slice. So use that, threw some onions, green peppers, some olives that I had left over from a previous meal. Got a half a jar of pasta sauce, which I found in the clearance for 85 cents. Seasoned that up with some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, red pepper flakes. And then we've got our dough. So the dough was $1, so not bad. Oh, and I'm also heating up the leftovers from last night. So there was some chicken. We had chicken, rice-a-roni pasta, which did not turn out too well, but chicken, grilled or sauteed chicken or whatnot, pastaroni pasta, and spicy corn. So the sides are gone, and there's like 3 chicken tenders left, so I just threw some barbecue sauce on that. We are getting the pizzas made. We've got one ready to go right here, and this is the cheeses that we're using. A little bit of mozzarella and some Mexican cheese blend. That's the chicken. There's just 3 little strips. I thought about shredding up the chicken and putting it on the pizza, but I wasn't sure if that was going to be too much or not. Alright, cool beans. Then you just want to make sure that. Then you take your fork. Pop, 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 pop. Boom, boom, boom. Yep.
What is this for?
You know, I really don't know. I just saw somebody do it on a video when they were making a pizza. And then I've also noticed times where we've had like frozen pizza and it had little holes at the bottom. So I don't know, maybe it keeps the dough from rising unevenly. That's the only thing I could think of. Alright, so you good. So now you do your sauce and then you do the rest of that meat. But make sure you're draining the meat though before you put it in there. Here, I probably should give you a different spoon.
Where's the sauce?
I guess you could just use this one. You can add some more sauce if you want.
It's like it's so
Yeah,
much.
add some more sauce. Huh?
That's not enough.
It is. I just like extra sauce because of all the meat and stuff we're about to put on there. Don't play in it. Just go ahead and put it on there. Alright, and then do you want to put the cheese and stuff on there, or you want me to do that one like the other one?
I'm doing good.
Okay, so that's good. You're good on that.
Why are you using cheeses?
Because I don't want to use the whole bag of mozzarella, so I'm just mixing it up. You don't need more than that, sis. You gotta fill the whole thing and then...
Well, I thought you said you didn't.
Yeah, I put it all over the... I make sure I cover the whole thing with one layer of the mozzarella, and then with the open spots, I just go ahead and put the other cheese on it. I know that probably doesn't make any sense, but... Okay, and then you switch to the other cheese.
This pizza might be too cheesy for me.
And then we'll go ahead and use the rest of this meat.
Mom, I'm doing it.
Okay.
There are mushrooms in here?
No, we didn't have any.
Mom, where do you get these hand bites from?
Those ham steaks that I bought for like 90 cents. I just cut one of them up.
I think this is enough for me.
Okay. And whatever
we
you
can
don't
just-
use, I could put it on this other pizza. It'll just be an extra meat pizza. Alright, yeah.
Yeah, it's too much meat.
Okay. Alright, wash your hands. And then as soon as the oven beeps, these can go in. And it's not gonna take long for them to cook.
Can I just eat that?
Dunstan.
Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning? Come on, get with it, fly British boy, I'm in the end, it's just beginning, yo. Give me a minute, I told you I was chatting different, can't you see I'm winning?